So now I will introduce you the very first stock that I bought, which allows you to double your money. Okay, that you'll cut and okay. But anyway, hi everybody, I'm Darren. I'm the newest member to the VIA family and I'll be hosting a market talk with my man Ali. Editor, you can Photoshop him inside here. Happy to be given this opportunity to join Ali in this investing journey, and I hope to be able to do a good job in explaining things to you all. Yeah. So I graduated from VIA batch 58 and I have no background in finance. I graduated with a degree in biomedical engineering, and after that I spent the next 15 years of my life with the SAF. So yeah, totally no experience in finance and investing whatsoever. Started off extremely lost, and I hope that somehow I can put things across in a very simple way, or at least in a way that somehow I've managed to come to understand over the years.
1 hour later.
So the first topic that we'll be talking about is the first ever stock that I have bought before I joined VIA, which I regret.
Guys, I've got dinner on me, okay?
The first stock that I bought was actually Lipo Malls. I remember I was searching just now, so I actually bought that stock at 38 cents in 2015. I bought it based on advice from Remiser. I'm sure they have their own reasons. They would definitely have done their own research in their own right as to why they recommended that stock. After buying the stock, I kind of like just closed the app and like never looked at it again until recently. The stock is now worth 4 cents.
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
Yeah, it just kept all the way down. It's okay, and even Lipo Mall, I was just doing a quick search, right? It's apparently it's Indonesia's largest retail mall operator. Well, yeah, I definitely regretted buying something without even doing any homework to understand what they do, who they are, what plans they have. And this is one of the mistakes, the earliest mistakes I've made. Yeah, you know, there are three kind of people in life. The one would be the smart kind who learns from people's mistakes. One would be the second one, you hear people's mistakes but no, you still want to go and try, then you learn from it. And the third one would be, you know, you just don't listen and you just keep making mistakes again and again. So I hope at least we all belong to either the first category or the second category. Now I belong to the second category, so hopefully from now on I stop making mistakes. Yeah. First stock that I bought after joining VI actually is BRKB. So immediately after batch 58 ended, I started selling options, and then because Cayden already highlighted, he kept highlighting so many times that, you know, look out for VRKB when the PB ratio is favorable to us. It's going to reach, look out for it. So true enough, eventually it went below 1.2. Oh, can I say that? I can say that? Can I say that? I don't know. Can I say that? Or is it something that I'm not supposed to?